Looking to add a new vehicle to your Progressive insurance policy but not sure where to start? You're in the right place, and I'll walk you through the fastest ways to get it done so you don't miss a step. First, open any web browser on your device: Chrome, Safari, Edge, whatever you normally use. In the search bar, type www.progressive.com and hit enter. This will take you straight to Progressive's official website. Once you're on the homepage, log into your account if you haven't already. Your login button is usually located at the top of the page. After you're signed in, look toward the top menu and click on Resources. Now scroll down until you see two key options: Chat Now and Contact Us. Both of these can help you add a vehicle to your policy depending on how you prefer to communicate. If you want the simplest and fastest option, click on Chat Now. This opens a chat window where Progressive's virtual assistant will guide you step by step. Just type that you want to add a vehicle, and the bot will collect the details it needs, like the make, model, year, and VIN number. If the bot can't handle something specific, it can transfer you to a live representative. If you prefer to speak to someone directly, go back and select Contact Us. Here you'll see the Call 24/7 option. Just dial the number displayed on the screen. Since their service is available all day, every day, you don't have to worry about calling at the wrong time. Once you're connected, just let the agent know you're adding a new vehicle to your policy and they'll walk you through everything you need. Another alternative is sending an email. On the contact page, look for the email option. Before you write your message, you may be asked to choose a topic and fill out a short form. This usually includes your personal and residential information. After that, type in your request to add a vehicle and include any important details. A Progressive agent will follow up with instructions or next steps. No matter which option you choose, a representative or the online system will help you complete the addition of your vehicle. Just make sure you have your insurance policy number handy and the car details ready. This will speed things up. And that's all it takes to add a vehicle through Progressive. Whether you chat, call, or email, their support team makes the process really straightforward. If you found this helpful, stick around for more quick guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.